Welcome.
That's a civilian, dude. That's just a random dude.
I don't have a whole lot.
Oh. What's up, guys? Squink here. I'm back with another one today. Just a reminder, I do these every single day. Every single day. I'm back in the classroom. I'm teaching you guys what I know from my prior law enforcement experience. It is what it is. I try to be funny, educational. I do all the things. I try to do all the things. So subscribe if you want. I also don't waste time in the beginning, so we're gonna jump in.
No one's talked to him yet. Okay, so
Also, this one comes from Donut's Raw Police Footage channel, and it is titled Police and Civilians vs. Suspect. Let's go.
that's probably a 2-officer contact if you talk to him.
What did that say?
We talked community.
No one's talked to him yet.
Okay, so
That's
that's
probably a 2-officer contact if you talk to him. 7-2 walk and give us the air. I don't know what this guy's name is. Hey Ron, you want to go back in the house?
Interesting. Okay, let's continue.
Negative. Why don't you give us the air again? The offending party is coming and going from the door yelling.
So when someone says give us the air, it means the air on the radio. It means someone else is talking, they need to shut the hell up. Give us the air means give me the time on the radio to talk. Quit talking.
I don't want to order him out till we get another person. Hey, sir!
Hey, you want to shoot?
No, it's the sheriff's office. Why don't you come out with your hands empty and talk to us?
That's my dick.
Kiss my dick. Love it.
Okay, well that's different. Okay. Sheriff's office, why don't you come out and talk
I'm gonna start using that. Kiss my dick.
to me with your hands empty?
If you're a sheriff, I'll blow your head off. Get the fuck out of here. Tell me.
Okay, so we got active threats going on. This is gonna obviously turn into a shootout. This guy is obviously willing to do whatever it takes.
These people to put the goddamn smoke down, take a ride on the wild side. Hit it.
Love it.
I'll put it out through like a little piece.
Drop the gun!
Shut your fucking face.
I can't even
Drop
see
the
this guy.
gun! Seven, 4 walking.
You dropping it?
Nope. He's back in house.
PC for at least 2 counts of felony harassment. I don't know that he pointed the gun at him, but we got PC, so.
Yeah, he's still yelling at us and
Felony PC.
What do you want now?
Sheriff's office, drop the gun!
Oh! Fuck!
Holy shit.
Shots fired, shot fired.
You okay? Oh! Fuck! Send shots fired! I'm hit!
Hold on, let's rewind it. Let's rewind it. I looked away for a split second. See, guys, this is the thing. This is the thing. We can look away for a split second. Shit starts unfolding. We can sit here as long as we want in our comfy little chairs and go, he should have done this, he should have done this. But when you're in this situation, things can change so fast.
What do you want now?
Sheriff's office, drop the gun!
Oh! Fuck!
Wow.
Shots fired, shot fired.
You okay? Oh! Fuck! Send shots fired! I'm hit!
7-4 walking.
That's a civilian, dude. That's just a random dude.
Sit down. Sit down, Bob.
I don't know why I thought that was a cop.
We have 2 officers
I don't know why I thought that was a cop. Holy shit,
hit in
dude.
the head.
Oh, Jesus. I don't have a whole lot.
Oh.
Yeah!
Okay. Deputies Rathbun and Thompson communicate to the other deputy now on scene that they have been shot in the head and need aid, and that they first need replacements.
Yeah, I need
That's
aid, but we
accurate.
need replacements.
Yes!
In the head!
Replacements meaning additional officers.
Full head!
In the head! Full officers!
In the head.
What a warrior.
Vision in my left eye.
Okay. We gotta go this way around and then back.
We gotta go back.
What a warrior, dude.
My rig's down there.
Is the exit? No, my car's right here.
Yeah, but we gotta get into the fucking car.
I think his.
This is what's going through their head right now, I guarantee you. Okay, so there's two of them, and then the civilians. So they're thinking we need replacement officers here because you're shot in the head, actively bleeding from your head. However, the first priority is to stop the threat. So they're basically in this gray area where they're trying to prioritize their health, but also the health and safety of everyone around. First priority is stop the threat, but it's only these two and then like civilians. So really tough situation they're in right now.
Truck's gonna block. I'm gonna get in full forward a little bit. You good? You good?
Yeah, I'm covering.
Oh, so there's more now. Well, shit, that's just a random. That's a random civilian. Oh my god. Another.
Okay, just keep doing what you're doing.
Where is this?
Get in, Bone. Get in. Back seat. Get in. Oh, it's open.
Roll the window down.
Sam said pull up.
774.
7-2 and I are self-extricated to aid.
Deputy Thompson updates dispatch that he and Deputy Rathbun are self-extricating to aid with a plan where to meet them.
You can let them know at the fire hall that we're coming in with gunshot wounds.
Copy, to meet aid at the fire hall.
16 to
This
74,
is
we're behind it.
this is the dude actively shot in the head.
Kendall on overturn.
Driving.
Walk to the side, one more. Walk to me. Walk to me. Walk to me. Walk here. Walk to me. Walk to me. Do it now.
So it looks like that's the suspect right there.
Get down. Keep walking. On your face. Get on your face. Get on your face. Get on your face. Hands out. Hands out.
I got the house.
Hands out to your side, all the way. Jaron, out of the turret.
You guys are really making a big scene out of nothing.
Keep.
What did you just say?
Your taser on him.
I would have lost my mind. Excuse me? Do you know what you just did? Being a cop version of me was just everyone's dad. You should be ashamed of your actions.
Kill me.
I'm coming up to the cup. Be good?
Let's go. Yep. Okay. Alan, on me. Do not fight. We're telling you right now, do not fight. Is anybody else in the house? Is anybody else in the house?
So it's important to know what they're doing right now is they still don't know if the house where he came from, they don't know if this guy's a sole actor. They don't know if there's other people involved waiting to ambush him. That's a thing. You never know. They can ask this guy 100 times, is there anyone else in the house? And he could say no, but he's a fucking liar, so.
Get him up and move him. Mr. Wood to command. The front door is still open. Don't know if anybody else is inside.
Nothing on you?
Let's get him up and move him. We're hanging out here. Okay, moving.
Holy shit, all you guys are here for me?
Who's got body cam?
I do.
I don't have
Could you
any.
keep focused on it?
Yeah.
What, is your car the only one over
What's
here?
your name? Joel. Joel what?
Joel.
Joel who?
Young.
Joel Gum? Young.
He's
You're on body
drunk.
cam. Audio and video recorded.
It's all good.
Audio and video recorded.
He's drunk.
Yeah.
Give me the light. Listen. Yeah. Yo. Back in the turret ground.
It's very obvious he's drunk or something. He's slurring his words, so that may have something to do with what happened today.
Did I have that in my pocket? Or
All right,
did you find
it's
it?
6:05.
It's all good.
Just listen.
Right here. I'm listening.
Okay, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
Yep.
You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have
Wow.
it present with you while you're being questioned.
Yeah.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish.
You guys got
You can
nothing to worry about.
decide. You can decide any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you.
1806.
Deputy Brown.
Yes.
Put him in Deputy Wood's car and take him.
Okay, so remember, when they are handcuffed, police cannot legally ask them questions about the crime. They can ask them identifying questions about themselves, such as their name, date of birth, and where they live, but they can't question them about what happened regarding the charges they're being arrested on until after Miranda rights are read to them.
Yep.
Did we pat him?
You can, but I mean, can I have some shoes?
Where's Wood's car? Right here? Okay.
This is real.
Let's go. What's
wow,
your name?
this is really
What's your
cool.
name?
Joel Young. Sure.
Joel, let's go over here.
No, I shouldn't talk to this guy. Why, are you gonna punch me in the face? I'll go to jail.
Cool dad, so don't mean to brag.
No problem. You don't have to drag me. I'm going. I don't have that.
Of course he's barefoot, too. Of course he's barefoot.
I have nothing. Seriously, I have nothing.
Sit.
Mr. Young, anybody else inside your house?
the neighbors.
No. My son wanted to come home. I told him not to come by. I didn't really realize you guys were out here.
Have a seat.
If I did, I would have came out a lot earlier.
I'm sorry, sir. What? What are you saying right now? What are you saying in your head? What words are coming out of your mouth right now? What? Sir, you shot a police officer in the head. What do you mean if you'd known it was us, you would have come out? You were outside shooting at us. What?
I'm right. He did say this is our guy.
Yes.
Okay?
He said pretty
I'm
sure,
going,
and then he
but
said
you
yes.
can throw me in.
Sit down, please.
I'm trying. I have no
What do you mean that is this our guy? It's your guy, right?
shoes on. So I'm standing on rocks, okay? You can shoot me if you want.
Yeah, this is our guy.
Alright? Yes, sir. I'm not going to cause you any problems.
You already have. The smile on his face. Oh, remember that one we watched? Alright, and that's how it ends. I just want to thank Donut's Raw Police Footage for the incredible video. It was a graphic one, but guys, I really do like jumping into these types of videos that involve higher stakes situations because I feel like I could just teach you a whole lot more. Again, remember, I haven't been in a situation like this, but I've been in high risk, high stress situations, and really all it boils down to is how you're going to respond to the situation. Alright, time for the grading portion. The suspect is obviously going to get an F. No one should be surprised there. The police involved, dude. Oh my gosh, where do I even begin? First of all,
He's still yelling at us.
Felony PC.
First of all, that dude got shot in the head and kept warrioring forward. Wow. A+, perfect score. Honestly, seriously though, with limited help, they did what they could. The fact the civilians got involved, are you kidding? This is incredible. You just don't see that. And to get involved with like their own weapons, I just feel like we were watching history be made. Incredible video. One of my favorites. Let me know what you guys thought. Did Could they have taken it further? Should they have shot him? I don't think... I literally just farted. I wonder... Hopefully you can't hear that. Maybe I'll cut it out. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. How embarrassing.